Greetings, fellow investors. In this exhilarating journey, we delve into the dynamic world of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and explore the transformative shifts revolutionizing the investing and financial sphere. Brace yourselves for actionable advice based on cutting-edge insights, intertwined with captivating anecdotes, lighthearted humor, and relatable content to keep you captivated throughout. The investing renaissance, unlocking the potential of ETFs. Welcome to the dawn of a new era in investing. As we fast forward to the year 2023, the financial landscape has witnessed a monumental transformation. Say farewell to the complexities of traditional stock picking and the burdensome fees of mutual funds. Enter the mighty ETFs, the superheroes of modern-day investing, offering a world of diversified opportunities, cost-effectiveness, and unparalleled flexibility. Picture this: a once confused investor transformed into a confident strategist, easily navigating the market, empowered by the wonders of ETFs. Indeed, simplicity and growth are now at the fingertips of every aspiring investor. The advent of robo-advisors, embracing AI for smarter investing. In our future vision, technology giants have crossed over into the realm of finance, unleashing the power of robo-advisors. These digital marvels leverage artificial intelligence and sophisticated algorithms to personalize ETF portfolios tailored to each investor's unique goals and risk tolerance. Amusingly, a quirky scene unfolds as Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant engage in a friendly yet competitive banter to curate the perfect ETF cocktail for an investor, highlighting the marriage of innovation and humor in the financial world. Purpose-driven investing, the rise of ESG ETFs. The future welcomes a generation driven by purpose and impact. Environmental, social, and governance, ESG. Investing takes center stage, emphasizing the significance of aligning financial returns with positive societal and environmental outcomes. In a heartwarming tale, a once indifferent investor becomes an advocate for sustainable investing, realizing the power of her money to influence corporate practices for the greater good. As ESG ETFs gain momentum, corporations must embrace sustainable practices or risk becoming relics of the past. Embracing the crypto ETF revolution. Decentralized finance unleashed. In the financial world of tomorrow, the exhilarating crypto craze has taken center stage. Enter decentralized finance, DeFi, a groundbreaking movement that harnesses blockchain technology and digital assets to reshape the financial landscape. Crypto ETFs offer investors exposure to a diversified range of cryptocurrencies, from the iconic Bitcoin to the innovative Ethereum and beyond. In our narrative, a traditional banker morphs into a space-exploring pioneer, braving the crypto sphere and discovering a wealth of investment opportunities that defy conventional norms. As cryptocurrencies find a place in investors' hearts and portfolios, the financial landscape undergoes a radical transformation. Actionable investing wisdom. Now that we have glimpsed the future, let us seize its potential for our financial advantage. Here are some actionable tips to guide you through the thrilling world of ETFs. A. Diversification unleashed. Embrace the power of diversification by carefully selecting ETFs that span various sectors, geographies, and asset classes. Diversification mitigates risk and enhances the potential for robust returns. B. A cost-conscious approach. Pay attention to expense ratios, as lower costs translate to greater returns for investors. Choose ETFs with competitive expense ratios to optimize your investment journey. C. Knowledge is power. Take the time to understand the underlying assets and holdings of each ETF you consider. Knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions aligned with your financial goals. D. Stay agile and informed. The future is ever-evolving, making agility and staying informed indispensable. Be open to adapting your investment strategy as the market transforms and new opportunities arise. By embracing ETFs, robo-advisors, ESG investing, and the crypto revolution, you have positioned yourself to thrive in the future financial landscape. Investing is not just about growing wealth, it is about making a meaningful impact and shaping the world we desire. With ETFs, you possess the power to drive change and create a brighter, more sustainable future while securing your financial well-being. We hope you enjoyed this immersive journey through the future of exchange-traded funds. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful financial content. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love engaging with our viewers and providing personalized advice. The path to financial success lies ahead. Let's navigate it together.